What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Monday, September 14th, and today I'm going to go over with you why I sold all of my US Global Jets ETF. There's a few reasons. The main reason I did this, you guys know my channel. I am heavily invested in SPG, and from Thursday to Friday last week, it had a almost 9% drop. So I did take that opportunity to invest in Simon Property Group by selling US Global Jets ETF to sell some puts to make some really good premium. I will go over that video on Friday with Simon Property Group to kind of give you all the details because I did do a couple more moves. But that was the main reason, just because I felt that I could make more off of Simon Property Group in that short period of time than keeping US Global Jets ETF. The second reason is if you did see my video about October 1st with the CARES Act, they still have not come up with anything too good on the airlines. So it's still a possibility of them laying off 70 to 80,000 people. They are still flying at a increasing rate from the chart that I'll show next, but I think there will be a pullback because when you look at Jets ETF, you look at the day, they're up 2.23%. For the week, 1.66. For the month, 8.09. And at 3 month, they're still up 6.21%. So I do feel like there is going to be a pullback, especially if the CARES Act does not get approved to help out the airlines. Because once they start laying people off, I think it will have a negative effect at first. And if it does do that, I will buy at the dip. But on the checkpoints, you guys know that I check this every week. So this is travelers through this year and then same week last year. So I have been doing a chart on this. It actually had a significant growth from 8:30 to now. It was sitting around 29%. Now you're looking at 34, 37.3%. And this is really high. It's getting higher even when schools are back in session. Like I said, even though schools are in session, most of them are online by Zoom. So most people can do it on trips. They can do it in the morning. They can still do whatever they have to do to travel, to fly where they need to, and still be able to do it at the hotel room as long as they have good internet. So it is good that the numbers are going up higher and higher. But like I said, I do feel like there is going to be a pullback sooner than later, especially usually it gives you a week or two before the bad news if October 1st does come without anything being approved. So like I said, if it goes down, I will be purchasing it on the dip. But if it does go up, depending on how Simon Property Group is, I may move the money around. We'll see how that goes. So let's just look at my spreadsheet so far. So I've only invested in this company for about 5 or 6 weeks, and it's actually been a really good investment for the short period of time. Just off the investment itself, I did make $370.50. But if you look on this side here, I did do a couple of quick moves here on the Global Jets ETF, selling calls and then buying them back. So I did have this call here where it was 3 contracts at $15. I did buy it back for 5 each, still profiting $30. And then that next day, the stock did go up pretty significantly. So I did do a call, 3 options. I did get a $20 premium. Then it did drop dramatically as well. It went under, I believe, level 1780. It was at like 1830, 1833. So I did buy that back for $5, and I did end up getting $45 profit just in that day. So total premium that I've made off of this is $155. I'm not counting this premium here, I'm just adding it in total cost. But in 5 weeks, I made $525. That's a little bit over 10%. So like I said, 10% in 5 weeks is pretty good. But like I said, I do feel like it is going to be a pullback. So if they do, I will buy in on that. I still have my Norwegian Cruise Line one that I'm keeping. I'm probably going to let that stay until December. I will do a video on that on Wednesday. But today, guys, that will be all for today. If you guys have any other questions why I did this, or want to get a little more in detail on what I did with Simon Property Group before Friday, just shoot me a comment. I will explain it best I can. But definitely hit the subscribe, hit the like, and comment below. Thank you guys. Have a good day.